Okay, hey guys. Today we are unboxing stuff that I got from my dad because it has passed my birthday. Sorry if you really wanted to come. I'm so sorry. It already passed. I'm having another one. It's a late birthday party. Okay, first we got this. The amazing little circus. Let's open it. This one is from Target. The moon. I got this one. And I'll show it to you. Here she is. She is so cute with her little card. Next up, we got the mystery one. We actually don't know what it is. So let's open it. Okay. Okay, I got this one. This is what she looks like. Sorry. Okay, now you should be able to see it. Sorry. Now we have another one. It's Jax. This is Jax's card. And this is him. I have more stuff, so just wait. Okay, now we got Afma, one of my favorite YouTubers. Here it is. Next one is coming. Next up, we have this one. Time to open it. What do y'all think it's gonna be? What do you think? Oh my god, I got a mystery! Look at it. I got a mystery Afmo cat. So cute. So look, I got none of those. So then, I got the mystery. Last name? Slime. Not working. Part 2. This is so jiggly and slippery.